This could be useful in cases where you want to do some analysis on some historical results, or maybe you just want to download results in a custom CSV. To get there, we can go to Report and Query Results. Here you'll have a list of all the past queries you've run. We can use this Build New Query to start a new one. Start by naming the query, picking the type of sample we want results for. If you choose feed, you can also choose among the subtypes of feed. You'll have the option to select from any of the accounts you're assigned to. If you select an account, you'll also get options to select from individual farms that have been analyzed in that account. You can also query on date range. And this middle section is about defining the columns in the CSV report. You can drag and drop. You can drag to reorder those to create the custom order, or you can select all here and then simply delete the ones that you don't need to see. Once you've defined the results that you want to see, you can just run the query. You also have the option to add additional criteria. So if you want to do something fancy like maybe I only want to see results with moisture less than 50, you can run that query here. Most queries will run quickly and just give you a CSV immediately available for download. If you happen to run a very large query, maybe something across multiple years, or if you have an account that has tens of thousands of samples in it, you may get a pop-up message like this. It's just communicating that the query is very large and will take a longer amount of time than your browser is going to allow. So when the query is done, we'll contact you by email with a link to download. For any long queries, you'll have information in the status column telling you if it's in queue or if it's complete. Once queries are complete, there's also a download button where you can download those results at any time.